Welcome, future Pirates. I want you to know that we have a record number of applicants for fall 2020. And so we were so excited to have a couple of dates reserved just for you to come and join us in Greenville, North Carolina, here at our beautiful campus of East Carolina University. Your health and welfare, the well-being of our students here at ECU is our top priority. So we've decided, as a result of this visit from the coronavirus, to postpone our Pirates Aboard event. The event that we have dedicated to admitted students just like you, because we want you to know about our hospitality and the quality of our academic programs. But right now, you're our major concern. We're so excited that we've developed this website for you, for your use, to make sure that you've got the resources you need to make an important decision. If you need us, you call upon us. Welcome aboard. One last thing, you'd look good in purple.